First question, what were some of the original drivers that caused your organization to look into getting a corporate measurement management system?
So with Phillips 66, we had an in-house built volumetric accounting system that we wanted to move away from in-house development and look for a vended application. So we were looking at other accounting systems out in the industry, and one common denominator that kept coming up was, you guys need to get FLOWCAL partnered with us. So it's really, FLOWCAL was the only option. And the first instance where we'd be using this was a mega pipeline that we were going to be building. It was going to be 1 million barrels a day. So it's going to be very important to minimize gain loss.
Awesome. So that's great. You pretty much answered my next question. If there's anything you want to add on the choice to ultimately select FLOWCAL, please do.
Yeah. So I mentioned the minimizing the gain loss. So one of the drivers of that is we weren't going to be settling gain loss with the shippers. We're going to have multiple shippers. This was going to become a major problem with us if we had large instances of gain loss. So having the ability to manage exceptions and look for missing measurement data at a scalable level was going to be essential to our success. So it was great to have FLOWCAL.
Awesome. Okay, so a lot of people call FLOWCAL and our Field Application Suite the industry standard for measurement applications. From your perspective, how do you think they gained that reputation?
Well, you could say it's through maintaining the industry standard calculations in the application, or the scalability or the work efficiency created with just the aspect of the application. But I think the biggest driver is the way you guys treat your customers and your customer support staff. We rely on that team for so many things with issues we're having with just functionality problems that we have and learning aspects that come along with that. So I think that's what sets a apart in the industry.
Awesome. Okay, a couple fun questions. The first one is, why would you recommend FLOWCAL to your peers?
Yeah, that is an easy one. Just the gold standard in measurement in the industry. Yeah, you don't have to worry about any of the calculations, and great customer service.
Okay, what's your favorite tool or feature in FLOWCAL?
Yeah, I mentioned the work efficiencies and the scalability. We've got some analysts with just thousands of meters that they have to manage, and it couldn't be done without the exception resolver, just the ability to manage all the missing measurement data that might come in, or any parameters that we set, identifying anything out of parameters. So I think just using the entire exceptions process to me.
All right, awesome. Well, thank you again so much for your time and your feedback.
Yep, thank you.